Well, here's a new symbol developed in gCADPlus by Aaron Stately, and I'd like to illustrate quite a clever trick when you're trying to match colours. This is a cultivated form, a bred form of an aloe, and we want to put some interesting colours in here. If I select, this is a block within what will become a block, and we edit that block. If I click on this polyline here, notice that its colour is one of the base colours in gCADPlus. This one here, though, is 251, 224, 40. These are the RGB values of, let me illustrate. If we wanted to change that, we'd go to here and select colour. We can use either index colour, which those previous examples were, or go to TrueColor. And then you can select a TrueColor. Here you've got the opportunity of typing in values that correspond to the colour that you want. Let's not do that just for the moment, but let's look at a photo of this species, and I've loaded it in, it's called Aloe Echidna, and I've loaded it in our favourite image editor, IrfanView, and this is an orangey sort of colour. All I need to do is move my mouse over it and just hold the mouse down. And let's try that again. And I hope you can see at the top of the screen, and it's 219, 44, 42. That's found up in that area there. So what we should be able to do is, there it's slightly different. It's 249, 69, 68. So if we come back to gCADPlus and we want to set the new colour for that one, now my memory's not all that flash, but let's select colour and we just type those three numbers in, 2, 4, 9, 67, I think it was 42. We'll see what we get. So we can type the numbers in like so, hit enter and then OK it, and that changes now to the number we just typed in. It's really quite a bright red. And we could use match properties now if we wanted to, and modify match properties, pick up the properties of that one and add it to some of the others, and that's giving us more intense colour here. And when we close the block editor, we've updated the symbol with those colours. You can also, let's do it again. We can come in here, imagine we want to change the colour there. It's already 82, 92, 78, picked up from IrfanView, but you don't have to do it that way. You can go to TrueColor and select a TrueColor, and this is sort of a green brown, darker than that. I'm just picking the sort of colour I want from this colour picker, and we'll OK it. So you can see, and then we could do our match properties again, and we're not keen on that bluey colour because our photo tells us it's not really that colour. So there we are. We have a neat trick for finding colours that are a bit more subtle than the base gCADPlus colours and applying them then to a system. We still would be aiming to keep the file size of our new symbols under 100 kilobytes to keep things working snappily. Well, let me demonstrate again how you pick up a colour value from an image using IrfanView. You need to look up in this area here when I click into the image itself. That one's giving us 245, 169, 101, and we can type those numbers in to get quite close to that sort of intermediate colour. But as the flower head ages, it changes from the deep orange-red into a pale colour. So I hope now you can see the value of using IrfanView if you want this sort of subtlety in colour, and apply that to the symbol that you're developing.